Hello guys, this is Aussie dollar and Japanese yen. Let's go to the 12 months time frame. This is the only data I have for the 12 months time frame, and you guys can see that. Let me do the analysis from the beginning so you guys can understand it easily. The total thing is we have data from 2004 if I'm not wrong. So let's not get back too much, so we lost the track. Here you guys see that Aussie dollar JPY has touched to the highest order already in last month in November already, and it retraced back on bearish side. Again it opened and it tried to touch it again, and again it got rejected here on yearly time frame. Guys, can you see? We are watching the yearly time frame. So I don't think the upside traction of AUDJPY is that much left at this moment. And if you guys can see that there is one rejection, and again this is another rejection, and this time if we watch the rejection, this is made higher low. Okay, this is higher high and this is higher low, and also at the same time you can guys see it has opened and the yearly double top area already. So it's just for your note that this is the situation. Coming back to month now, if we analyze, and we can see we have a double top here in monthly time frame. So let's mark the double top here. Okay, this is the monthly double top we have. Let's mark it properly so we can use it for further analysis. This is the thing. Okay, let's mark it properly. Okay, now we are done here. And on the bottom side, if we see that this was the bottom created, and this bottom created this double top. So if we go back a little bit, we can see that there is no double bottom has been created on the month. Now question, where it is coming from in that case? Actually it happened in yearly. If you guys see here, this actually happened in yearly, and I tried to find in lower time frame and I failed. Why the double bottom happened somewhere here? So it has been created from the yearly time frame, not monthly, not weekly, not daily, but it has been created in yearly. So this is the zone of the yearly time frame we can mark. This is the thing, and we should use a different color. Let's use some color near to black. Let's make it black so we don't get lost in translation, and then which is what. So this is the thing, and this is the range we have now in monthly, that this is the thing happening now. So this was the bottom, this was the top, and if we see the total range at the moment is, we are left here, we are having this range. Okay, and 50% of it is this. Why did I mark this 50% is I would like to mention you guys very clearly that as we have this official double top on the monthly, though the month has not been closed yet, so still but so far we can see the month it has already got a break the neckline of the previous month. So I am assuming the double top here, but if we go to the lower time frame, we can see that weekly it is already a double top from this line. You guys see. So as the month has not finished, let's transfer it to weekly time frame. So we'll do it based on weekly, no problem. But I would like to show you, once the month is finished, we need to check this. If it is in monthly, we have to consider the monthly double top, not the weekly, because we always consider the higher time frame double top and double bottom. So this is the range in whole range. So let's for the time being, as month has not been finished. This is the half of the total range. Now, so far we know that Japanese yen is maintaining a negative interest rate, and Aussie dollar is maintaining a very high positive interest rate in compared to the Japanese negative interest rate. That's why we have seen such a what you say, if we go to month, you can see this will be a bullish trend for such a long time. This is going on for a long time because due to that reason. But recently, the Bank of Japan chairman Yoda has mentioned that they may come out of this negative interest rate by the end of this year, or maybe on January, or in the first quarter of the 2004. So after revealing that news, we are seeing this, and this news was coming from the first week of this month, I mean December. So things got started changing here. So if you guys see in weekly time frame, we have a double top, and if we measure this double top now, we can see that we don't have any retracement still now. So the price so far, I understand that it has we need to go to the time frame. In lower time frame, we will be able to understand it more easily. So the price made double top again. It tried to break this double top of the weekly, and you guys see it has made lower low here, higher low here. This is higher high, this is higher low. So price failed to break out the higher high, and it started coming down, getting bearish too much. And after getting here again, it made in daily time frame, you guys can see, or maybe we can see in weekly. No, weekly there is no, yes, no, there is no double bottom, but in daily we can see it has created a double bottom from this area. This area, exactly this area is responsible for the double bottom created in a daily time frame. Okay, this is the double bottom area, and if we mark it properly now with the color of the daily, and this is what we get. Okay, hold on guys, I think I made a mistake. The daily has been created from here. This is the daily range we have, so we need to mark these lines properly. This should be blue, and okay, and this is the thing happened here. Now if we measure the actual depth of the market from here to here, and the price supposed to come up to this position. So in my opinion, what I'm expecting right now is this, that the price will move from here to here, then it will come here, retest this area, and break out. I'm expecting a breakout here, but for the time being I should not draw this much. This is not advisable. This is not a good way to show things around. So this is my assumption right now, that the price will test and reach here, and once it reach here, you guys can see that we have a inverted cup and handle will form. This will be the cup, and this will be the inverted handle. And if I'm not expecting that the price will break this area very easily, because you can see there is a huge player involved here. A lot of buyer and sellers participation are here, so it needs to be go high, taken out this liquidity at least, and come down. That's it for AUDJPY. But however, for on the flip side, if it breaks down after testing the water here, and if it breaks down, then how much it will come, we can see that it will cover the depth of the whole cup, to be honest with you. 270, how much is this? if we hold on, let me measure it again. If it breaks out, 478 pips will come. So if we measure 478, it will come somewhere here. So I am expecting this to be some place here to come. And that's it for the AUD JPY. However, I am less probability on this side rather than higher probability it will go high initially. Then maybe once it reach there, then we'll expect it to come down, because the price action so far I can see that it came down, it went up, and again it came down, but it didn't break the blue line. This price zone upper recent support break has not been happened, and this is the zone where it came down and failed and opened. Again it tried and it didn't even touch the blue line and started moving upward. So that's it for AUDJPY. Thank you for watching. Please do share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.